Hello everyone, Contagious Android with you here with a new video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to turn your Android device into an iPhone, which seems a little bit awkward to be honest, because if you wanted an iPhone you could have bought one, not an Android. But sometimes you wanna impress your friends, if I could say that. So here I have a Wiko Ridge 4G, which is not an impressive smartphone, but here I am doing this tutorial for you guys. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do is go to the Play Store. You're gonna install this application. You're just gonna write Phone X Launcher. Then you're gonna install it and you're gonna go ahead and open it. So this is the first time that I'm opening this app for you guys to see every step with me. Alright, so we're gonna choose wallpaper here. I guess that the best one is this one right here, and you click on Get Started. Swipe from bottom to top to open Control Center. Alright, whoa. So as you see here, it's it's just like an iPhone basically. Look at these apps. So they say swipe. Oh, so it has the menu of iPhone. So we're gonna try to adjust so it works. Obviously, you can turn on Bluetooth from here. It works also. You can make this one. You can go to Home, and here click on Phone X Launcher, then Forever. But for me, I'm gonna click just for once. And alright, we see here Play Music. We're gonna click on that. So it works pretty fine. We're gonna go to the Play Store and see. Yeah, so as you see here, we have the icon of the App Store, but the name is actually Play Store, which is kind of weird. To be honest, I don't really like that. Yeah, we're gonna see if they have either all the apps have different icons. So if you go to, for example, here, Firefox has the same icon, and I have here Afterlight. If you want to download this application Afterlight, you're just gonna comment down below if you want it for free. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and click on Phone X Settings. You can click here, select Default Launcher, and click, as I said, Forever, but I'm not gonna click on that. I'm gonna go so if you actually swipe down, it's just your random Android launcher, so it's not really cool. If you go to desktop effects, we can choose effects here, effect 1. We can choose the size of the icons. I'm gonna make it bigger here. Okay, then I'm gonna go back. It's still loading, it's pretty slow, to be honest. Yeah, so this is the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any requests or you want to give positive feedback, hopefully, then you're gonna comment down below, and I'm really happy to help. Bye, guys.